Welcome back to the House Doctor. Today, I'm going to put a fireplace door on. Very simple. All you need are a few hand tools, and you can have a nice door on this fireplace. You don't have to have one of those ugly screens that fall over. You're worried about a log rolling out. You put a glass door on here, and we'll have no more worries about fire safety. So let's get to it. Here's our door. Comes in one box, pre-assembled, ready to go. First thing I'm going to do is give you a quick tip on how to deal with these plastic straps that come on more than just fireplace doors. They come on all kinds of things. Come here and I'll show you how easy this is to undo. To undo these straps, all you have to do is twist them upside down and pull the tab on the bottom, and then they come right apart. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, more straps. Instructions. I don't think we're going to need those. Okay, I have it all unwrapped, and the package is open with all the brackets and screws and a bag of insulation. We're going to put the insulation in around the edges of the frame. And the stuff can be a little irritating, but you don't rub it all over yourself. It's not going to bother you that much. So we have two different sizes. Wider goes along the sides, the top, and smaller goes in these channels here. So I'm going to separate this. And we have a couple of brackets. This bracket here, the shorter one, is going to go in this set of holes. And then one of these screws is going to go in and tighten up against the side of the brick on the fireplace. This bracket here is a two-piece bracket. You have to assemble this. It goes together like this, or like this, depending on the height of your fireplace. And you put a screw in, and you'll be all set. Then there'll be a screw like this, screws in here. This piece here, hook here, is going to hook onto the front of your lintel, which is the metal piece across the top of your fireplace that supports the brick. And this hook here is going to go into there like that, and the height is adjustable once you get it in place. Okay, we're now inside the fireplace. Sorry about the sound, but my voice is bouncing off a brick. Here's the bracket for the top. This is the two-piece bracket, the screw. And there's the little T on the end of it, which is going to go into this slot on the door assembly. So we're going to put it in like this, twist it, and pull the door up and hook it around the brick. Tighten up the screw. And it's going to hold the door in place once we get it all tightened up. And I'll put the bracket on the other side. Now to secure the bottom, we have this bracket here. Has two little hooks on it and the long thumb screw. We're going to take these two holes and slip them in here and tighten the thumb screw down. And that's that. We'll put one on the other side and we're finished securing the door. Next, we're going to install the handles and then we're almost finished. Fireplace door handles are on. We're all finished. Nice glass doors. You can open when you have a fire. Screen doors to protect the house from any embers that may fly off. Put in our log grate. Simple, easy project that pretty much anyone can do. The only tool we used was a screwdriver. So that's it. Fireplace door install, easy as can be. Now, if you have any concerns at all about the condition of your fireplace, the flue that lets the gases go out when you're burning a fire, or anything of that nature, it's a very simple way to take care of that problem. Sometimes knowing when to call in a professional is a lot better than trying to do something yourself. Fire can be dangerous, so if you don't know how to inspect a chimney flue, you don't know what you're looking for, call in a professional.